video.
Wait, pause. Everything you just watched, that entire scene, wasn't real. That was created using AI on my phone. And I'm using Seedance 2.0, which has completely changed the way people are creating AI videos right now. This isn't just basic AI clips anymore. You can take an AI avatar like this and drop it into real videos. You can turn it into full cinematic films with real scenes, real motion, real storytelling. You can take a normal video and completely transform it into something else, like this dystopian world. And it doesn't stop there. You can even create animated stories like this and extend them like an actual movie or a short film. Same character, same scene, it just keeps going, all from your phone. So let me show you exactly how this works. So today we will be using Seedance 2.0. How we're going to access it is from Higgsfield, and it's mobile friendly now. Love that. So first I'm going to show you how to create animated videos and extend them with the same video. So what you're going to do is click the yellow button. Once you click it, you're going to get this here. Yes, Higgsfield has a lot of stuff to use, but today we're using Seedance. You're going to click on Seedance, and then you're going to upload your AI avatar or influencer. I'm going to use Lotti, this picture here, of my animated avatar. And then I'm going to add a prompt of what I want the video to be. So she's going to be walking in the rain with an umbrella, different cutscenes and everything like that. Now the video can be up to 15 seconds, but I'm going to take it down to 8 just so I can show you exactly how I did this. And then you're going to keep it at 16:9 and 1080. Click generate, and then you get something that looks like this. Now, the best part about Seedance is that you can take this video, download it, and use it as a reference so that you can make the second clip. So you're going to upload the exact video we just created, and then you're going to put a prompt that continues for the second scene. So a continuation of the first clip for the second clip. And then you're going to keep it at 8 seconds, the same thing, or you can change it, it doesn't matter. And then you get a video like this. So it continues right from clip 1.
Lotti.
Now, take that second clip that we just created, upload it to Seedance, and put the third clip prompt of continuing from the second clip. And then you get this. Then you take all your clips over to a video editor. I'm using CapCut, and I just upload them all. And then I get a video like this.
Lotti.
The thing I love about Seedance is that you can take a video and you can change it in whatever way you want. So I'm going to go to Seedance in Higgsfield again, and I'm going to upload this video here. Then I'm going to put a prompt of what I want to change about the city. So I want it to be nighttime, lights, flashing, stuff like that. And then I get this. Now, if you want to change it again, something drastic, you upload your original video, and now I'm going to turn it into a dystopian, end of the world look like nature took over. And then all you do is click on generate, and then you get a video that looks like this. So you get the exact same video, but now it's a dystopian. I'm really loving Seedance. So now I'm going to show you how I created the video in the beginning with my AI influencer, Lotti. So before you get started in Seedance, you need to create 3 angles of your AI avatar. So what you're going to do is click create image. Then you're going to upload an image of your AI avatar like this, and then you're going to put in a prompt describing the angles in one image. Don't worry, all my prompts will be inside my community. Now, for the image generator, we're going to use Nano Banana Pro. Yes, they have a ton of image generators, but today we're using Nano Banana Pro. And then you're going to click on 4K and make sure that your ratio is 16:9 so you can see all the images clearly. So when you're done generating, you get something like this. Now we can keep the consistency in our video. Take your image, download it, and then take it over to Seedance. Click on the image generator, click on the Kling, and then click on Seedance 2.0. Now you're just going to click on General and then click Next, and now you're inside. Now you're going to upload that image of the 3 angles of your AI avatar, and you're going to upload a prompt of what you want the video to be about. So she's going to be running through the woods, her clothes are going to be dirty, her face is going to have mud on it, and she's going to be all frazzled and scared. Once you have your prompt, you're going to make sure that the video is at 15 seconds. What I am, you can make it less if you like. My video ratio, 16:9, and I'm going to have the resolution at 1080. Then I'm going to click Generate. Also, you can use voice on here if you want. So then I'm going to click Generate and get a video like this.
I just need to get home.
Now, with Seedance, when you use a real life person, you cannot extend the video yet, but I can assure you that's coming. So what we're going to do is download this video, and then we're going to take the last frame from it so that we can use it as a reference for the next video to pick up. So take the video, take it all the way to the end, screenshot it, and then you're going to take the image and turn it into a 16:9 frame. Now you can do it like this, or you can do it right from your photos. Once you're done, click save, and now you have the image in your photos. So now all you have to do is just upload it. Here it is. Now you're going to take the image back over to Seedance, and you're going to use the 3-angle image of your AI avatar in the last frame that we just cropped. And then you're going to put in a prompt for your next scene. And then you're going to make sure that you're at 15 seconds. Make sure the audio's on, 16:9 and 1080. You usually don't have to keep checking that. And then you get a video like this. Now you just keep continuing this process. And then when you have as many clips as you want, you take it over to your video editor of choice. Mine's CapCut. And then you put all the videos in and you put them in order. And you usually don't have to adjust anything. I really didn't have to. And then you get something that looks like this.
I just need to get home.
Same process, or you get something like this. If you're serious about creating with AI, from cinematic characters and realistic avatars to full videos, angles, movements, and monetization, This channel is for you, so make sure you're subscribed. And if you want deeper breakdowns, prompts, feedback, and behind the scenes help, join my community. That's where I teach everything I don't have time to cover here. Thanks for watching.